fishing. Go. Go.
Can you read to Mommy? Can you read to Mama?
Okay.
Okay, will you read Goodnight Moon? Huh? Sit down. Sit down. Oh. Ready? Okay. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of, what was there a picture of?
Gosh.
The cow jumping over the moon, and there were 3 little bears sitting in chairs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and what comes next? 2 little kittens and a pair of mittens and a little toy house and a young mouse. Where's the kitty cat?
Cats.
Cats?
Yes.
Right there?
Cat.
Uh-huh.
Cat.
Cat. What else do you see?
Boo.
Oh,
Boo.
yeah.
Push your eyes. Put your book.
Yeah.
Don't get move.
Yeah.
You like star?
Stars.
Star.
Stars.
Yes. Which cats?
Kitty cats. Let's turn the page. And a comb and a brush.
To play a brush.
And a bowl full of mush. And a quiet old lady who was whispering. What was the quiet old lady whispering?